Living room design trends you'll see everywhere in 2025. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're so glad you're here today because we've got some exciting stuff to talk about. As we kick off the year, it's the perfect time to refresh your space, and there's no better way to do that than by staying ahead of the latest design trends. So if you're thinking of giving your living room a makeover or just curious about what's hot in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the living room design trends that are about to take over in 2025. We're covering everything you need to know to make your living room feel fresh, inviting, and totally on trend, from bold new colors to furniture that blends style with functionality. So let's dive into the exciting living room design trends of 2025 and explore how you can bring these elements into your own home. Warm, earthy tones. Earthy neutrals like terracotta, olive green, and mocha brown are taking center stage in 2025. Jewel tones like sapphire blue, soothing pastels like blush pink and mint green, and bold shades like deep burgundy add warmth and depth to your living room, creating a cozy yet stylish vibe. Curved furniture. Next, curved furniture is definitely making a comeback. Rounded sofas, circular coffee tables, and soft lines are taking over. They're not just stylish, but super comfy too. There's something about those gentle curves that instantly make a room feel more inviting and, honestly, way more fun. Maximalism. If you like a little more excitement in your space, Maximalism is definitely back. That's right, bold colors, patterns, and textures are making a return, and we're loving the energy they bring. It's the perfect contrast to the more minimal styles and adds so much character to a room. Texture mixing. And one thing you're definitely going to see a lot of this year is texture mixing. It's not just about one fabric anymore. Velvet cushions, leather sofas, woven throws. It's all about combining different textures to add depth and interest. It just makes a room feel cozy and layered. Retro vibes. Retro vibes are also making a huge comeback, especially from the 70s and 80s. Think vintage-inspired furniture with a modern twist. It's a great way to add some nostalgia and personality to your space, and it blends perfectly with today's design trends. Sustainable design. Now, if you're passionate about the planet, you'll be happy to hear that sustainable design is having a major moment. We're seeing more natural materials like recycled wood, organic fabrics, and energy-efficient furniture. It's all about creating a space that's not only beautiful, but also kind to the environment. Plus, it makes your living room feel even more serene and grounded. Formal living rooms are back. In 2025, formal living rooms are making a comeback. Think sophisticated layouts with elegant furniture, plush fabrics, and classic designs. It's all about creating a refined, polished space that's perfect for entertaining and relaxing in style. To wrap it all up, 2025 is shaping up to be an exciting year for living room design. With a blend of bold colors, timeless furniture, and functional layouts, there's something for everyone to try. Bringing in cozy, earthy tones or elevating the space with velvet touches, these trends focus on creating a living room that feels both stylish and inviting. So, which trend are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more design inspiration. Thank you for watching, see you next time, and happy designing!